Upon logging into KloudFox, you're greeted with the main dashboard, showcasing all your monitors in a clean, intuitive layout. On the top right, you'll find the Add Monitor button. To add a new monitor, click on the Add Monitor button. Name your monitor, enter the URL you want to monitor, and choose your notification preferences: email, Slack, or push notifications. Once done, click Create Monitor. Your newly created monitor now appears on the main dashboard. Clicking on it reveals detailed metrics such as uptime, downtime, and availability, along with graphical representations. KloudFox offers advanced settings for more control. Click the gear icon to access these options. Here, you can enable SSL TLS verification and set up certificate expiry notifications. Choose the notification timeframe that suits your needs, such as 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, or 1 month before the certificate expires. Based on your selection, you will receive notifications via email or push notification through the KloudFox app, informing you about the status of your SSL certificate. Adjust the check frequency to suit your monitoring needs, from every 40 seconds to every hour. This flexibility ensures that you can fine-tune the monitoring intervals according to the criticality of the services being monitored. Customize request parameters by selecting the HTTP method and including specific parameters. For instance, you can choose from options like get, post, put, patch, and others. Additionally, you can include specific parameters in the request body as needed. These settings allow you to tailor how requests are sent by your monitors, ensuring they accurately reflect the HTTP method and include necessary parameters for your monitoring needs. For authentication, use headers with bearer tokens or basic HTTP authentication. Specify a header name and its corresponding value, typically used to authenticate API requests. Basic HTTP authentication involves providing a username and password directly in the HTTP request headers, which is a straightforward way to authenticate access to resources. KloudFox allows monitoring from multiple regions around the world. Select the locations from which you want to monitor your URL. This feature is particularly useful for global businesses that need to ensure their services are accessible from various geographic locations. After configuring the settings, remember to save your changes to ensure all your customizations are applied. Create a status page to keep users informed about your service status. Navigate to the Status Pages section from the header. Enter your company name and choose whether you want a custom domain or use the KloudFox-provided URL. For a custom domain, you might choose something like status.yourdomain.com, which will require updating a CNAME entry in your DNS. Next, provide your company email, such as a support email, and the URL to your main website, which will be used under the logo on the status page for users to be redirected to. You can also personalize the status page with options like dark mode and light mode. Select menu text color, header background color, and upload your logo to make the status page align with your brand. Once your status page is set up, select the monitors that will be part of the public status page. After selecting your resources, which are the monitors already added to your account, click Create Status Page. Your status page is now live and ready to be shared with your platform users, helping build trust by keeping them informed about service status. Manage incidents effortlessly with KloudFox. View incident reports and logs that detail when and what happened. You can also create manual incident logs, which will send notifications to all users subscribed to the status page. This feature ensures that your users are always informed about any service disruptions or issues, maintaining transparency and trust. Integrate KloudFox with various services like Slack, webhooks, and mobile apps for seamless notifications. This integration capability allows your team to stay updated on monitoring alerts through their preferred communication channels, enhancing responsiveness and collaboration. Set up sub-users under your KloudFox account with different access levels: admin, developer, member, and read-only. Each role has preset permissions, but as the main admin, you can also assign specific monitors and status pages to particular sub-users. This granular control ensures that each team member has access to the information and tools they need without compromising security or workflow efficiency. That's KloudFox, a powerful, user-friendly monitoring solution designed to keep your IT infrastructure running smoothly.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to check product link in the video description below.